Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it is possible because you are broke? Hello. In today's video, I will show you how you can travel to Germany for free. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually travel to Germany for free. If this is something you're interested in, don't even touch it out. Keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, please, Biko, introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you and I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Let me know in the comments. I want to say big thank you to whoever sent my video to you. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Yes, so all my returning subscribers, thank you. I need to say a big thank you to them. Thank you so much. I see your love. I see the comments, so thank you. And thank you for always sharing me out to your friends and your village members. God bless you real good. And to those of you that are seeing me for the very first time, let me introduce myself. Well, introduce yourselves as well. So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer, and on this channel I share with you 3 videos every week. Yes, so make it a day to join me on this channel every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with your friends. And also introduce yourselves in the comments. That's the culture here. That's our ritual on this channel. So without further ado, let's get right into today's business. So come in, let's go. Let's go. So besties, do you know that you can study in Germany for free through the DAAD scholarships? Yes, so have you ever thought about studying in Germany, the land of engineering, the land of innovation, and of course the land of free education? Today, we are exploring the DAAD scholarship, and it gives international students a chance to pursue master's and doctoral studies in Germany, completely free of charge. And in case you're wondering, what is DAAD? Why DAAD? DAAD is German's National Academic Exchange Service, and they offer one of the most comprehensive scholarship packages in the whole world. Thousands of students accepted each year, and here are some of the benefits. Here is what the DAAD covers. They cover full tuition at public universities. They give you monthly stipend of 861 euros for PhDs, health insurance, they give you travel allowance, as well as study research grants. That is everything that you need to know to succeed in one of the world's most innovative economies. In case you're wondering who can apply, DAAD is open to students from all over the world with a strong academic background. You will need, number 1, a recognized undergraduate degree, at least 2 years of work experience for masters, strong motivation letter, and academic references. This is my insider strategy for you. Do you want to stand out? Then go ahead and research your German university in advance. Then tailor your own application to their program. Then reach out to professors if you do that, and then polish that motivation letter. Just so you know, Germany is a global education powerhouse, and DAAD is your own key to it. So tap the like button if this video has helped you. Subscribe to my channel in case you have not, and in case you're wondering, you're considering studying abroad, guys, beyond academics, it is a game changer for building a powerful global network. And here is why. Number 1, you get diverse connections. Studying abroad connects you with peers, with professors, and with professionals from different cultures and different industries. These relationships can open doors to international career opportunities for you. You also get global perspective. Engaging with diverse viewpoints, they help to enhance your own adaptability and intelligence skills. Employers actually value that in today's interconnected world. We also enjoy their alumni network. Universities usually have a strong alumni network. You can tap into this network, and it can lead to mentorships, to internships, and of course job prospects. You also get events and collaborations. From international conferences to campus clubs, you are going to have countless opportunities to network with industry leaders and like-minded peers. You can also boost your career. Relationships abroad can translate into recommendations, can translate into partnerships, or even startup collaborations in the future. So guys, studying abroad is not just about a degree, it is about building a network that spans the globe. Now, are you ready to take the leap? Let me know in the comments. Make sure that you apply today. Don't just hear about these opportunities and go to bed. And the interesting thing is, watching this video doesn't translate to application. You don't know that you're interested until you apply. So make sure that you take the bold step, go into the link in my description, and then click and then apply for this opportunity. There are lots and lots of opportunities all over the world that people are sleeping on. I tell you, there are lots of fully funded scholarships. There are lots and lots of fully funded opportunities that people are not even, willing to share with the rest of the world. But here on this channel, you already know me by now. I'm your plug, your host. I'm here to share all of these vital information that will help you become the best version of yourself. And in case you have any question for me, or you have doubts as to how to apply, or you think there are age limits, or you think there are restrictions, first thing I'll tell you to do is this: go for it first. apply first and then worry later. And if you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, I'm open to support you in any way that I can, in any way possible. You have to join my Patreon community before you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. Yes, you can find the link to my Patreon community in the description as well as in the comments. And you can also use the join button to join my channel membership. Yes, the join button is right next to the subscribe button right there. So go ahead and join my channel membership, and then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. If you click on the consultation form and you're not a Patreon member, you're not a channel member, I'm sorry, I have to politely decline the consultation. The reason is because I've noticed a lot of people, just when something is free, they take it for granted. I've offered free consultations in the past where people book my one-on-one consultation and they don't ever show up into the meeting. This channel is not here to encourage that. I'm here to save your time and my time. My time is so valuable. I don't have time to prepare to go into a meeting and the person meeting doesn't show up. So it just makes sense for you guys to join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership, and then we can take it to the next level. So guys, that is about it. But I want to tell you guys, if you want to travel abroad, or you've been dreaming of traveling abroad, you don't have money, or you don't even have the funds, guys, I'm here to encourage you. Go for it. You can actually travel abroad even without money in your pocket. There are lots of opportunities. Like the last video that I shared with you, they pay for flights. They'll pay for your flights to and fro. The only thing they need you to do is to return to your home country after studying. Guys, like they say, well, this is something I've always heard since I was small. Education is that legacy that can never be taken away from you. You already have the education, right? So even when they move you to another country, you already have it here. What you have here cannot be taken away from you. Take advantage of these opportunities, and you never know. I mean, things can even get better over there. They might even want to retain you over there. You may have a pathway to becoming situated there, to immigrating finally, and it's going to be your new home. So there are lots of opportunities that you should not miss. And that's why I would implore you to join this channel, subscribe to this channel so that you get notified. Turn on the notification bell as well so that you get notified every single time I publish a new video. And of course, I have new videos for you guys on this channel every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Do not hesitate to ask me questions. If you have any questions, if you have anything bothering you, let me know in the comments. Or if you want to book a full 1-hour consultation with me, you can request for it in the comments as well. And I mentioned in my last video, and I think I also mentioned it in the beginning of this video, that I found an opportunity in the UK where you can actually travel. Yes, you can actually travel without using the study route. There are other routes to integrate into the system, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys. If you want to see it in my next video, just share the UK opportunities that doesn't require study. Just type that in the comments, and I'll definitely drop it for you guys in my next video. So guys, that is about it. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves, guys, and good luck to us, and I'll see you guys in my next. Don't forget, I have another scholarship in Australia and so many other countries. All right, take care of yourselves, and God bless you. Bye for now.